Hello students, this is Professor Kiran Poddar, Angadi Institute of Technology and Management, Belagavi. Now let us discuss a unique form of examples where we are going to form a partial differential equation from a different pattern, that is of pi of u comma v is equal to 0, where u and v are the functions of x, y and z. In turn, z will be a function of x and y. This is a unique because we already studied how to form a partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary constants and arbitrary functions. So if you see the examples, one thing is sure, we are going to get arbitrary functions because pi of u comma v we are going to get. But the difficulty in this, technical problem in this is, whenever we get u comma v, then it is not possible to go through simple differentiation because it is not any basic mathematical operation between u and v. It is just a comma. When it is a comma, then it is very difficult to go for differentiation, partial differentiation. Then we need a different solutions to get a formation of partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary functions. How to get this? If pi of u comma v is equal to 0, then we need to differentiate this equation with respect to x and y partially. When we differentiate it with respect to x and y partially, then what happens? First, when we differentiate, I call it as equation number 1. When we differentiate equation number 1 with respect to x, then we will be getting, it's a differentiation. You can see it is a u comma v pattern. So let us use total derivative concept, that is a chain rule concept. Then it is, we can differentiate pi with respect to u and further that u with respect to x, plus we can differentiate this pi with respect to v and further v with respect to x, that is equal to 0, which is equal to 0. Means what? From this equation we can take dou pi by dou u into dou u by dou x is equal to, take it to the other end, then it becomes minus dou pi by dou v into dou v by dou x. So we call it as equation number 2. Similarly, differentiate equation number 1 with respect to y, then we will be getting dou pi by dou u and dou u by dou y with respect to y. Therefore, dou pi by dou v into dou v by dou y is equal to 0. Then this can be written as dou pi by dou u into dou u by dou y is equal to, send it to the other end, then it becomes minus dou pi by dou v into dou v by dou y. Call it as equation number 3. Then if you divide equation number 2 by 3, then what we will be getting? You can see LHS by LHS, therefore it is dou pi by dou u into dou u by dou x divided by LHS from equation number 3, that is dou pi by dou u into dou u by dou y is equal to, from RHS of equation number 2, minus dou pi by dou v into dou v by dou x divided by minus dou pi by dou v into dou v by dou y. You can see this dou pi by dou u term and dou pi by dou v term get cancelled and minus of minus get balanced. Therefore, we will be getting dou u by dou x divided by dou u by dou y is equal to, minus of minus becomes plus, then it is dou v by dou x divided by dou v by dou y. So this becomes a bridge to get a solution to form a partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary constant by using a partial derivatives. Even we can write it with a different notation, like dou u by dou x can be written as ux divided by uy is equal to vx divided by vy. So this is the pattern. Okay, so let us take one example and let us find a solution by using this concept. When this is applicable, when the given function is having a format like u pi of u comma v equal to 0, then the solution is possible by taking this equation. Means we need to differentiate the given function with respect to x and y, both u and v with respect to x and y, to get first order continuous partial derivatives. Then we need to go through this recurrence relation. Okay, so let us take one example here. The example is something like pi of x plus y plus z comma x square plus y square minus z square equal to 0. If you see this example, this is something like pi of u comma v is equal to 0. If pi of u comma v is equal to 0, then we have its solution also. What is that? What is the solution for this? That is dou u by dou x divided by dou u by dou y is equal to dou v by dou x divided by dou v by dou y, or we can use these notations also. Okay, so out of this we need to pick what is u and v. If you compare this equation, then we come to know that u is equal to x plus y plus z and v is equal to x square plus y square minus z square. Therefore, differentiate u with respect to x to get dou u by dou x. Then differentiating this equation with respect to x means 1 plus differentiation of y will be 0. Then differentiation of z will be dou z by dou x. And we know that this can be written as ux is equal to 1 plus. We know that dou z by dou x will be taken as a notation p. Similarly, if we differentiate equation with this u with respect to y, then we will be getting dou u by dou y is equal to differentiation of x will be 0 and the differentiation of y with respect to y will be 1 plus differentiation of z with respect to y will be dou z by dou y. So this can be taken as uy is equal to 1 plus the notation for dou z by dou y will be q. Similarly, if we differentiate v with respect to x, then we will be getting dou v by dou x, which is equal to differentiating with respect to x means 2x minus differentiation of z square is 2z into dou z by dou x, which is equal to, here we can see it is nothing but vx. Here we can see it is quite common, that is 2 is common term. Take it out. When we take 2 is common term, then inside the bracket we will be getting x minus z into, as per the notation, dou z by dou x is nothing but p. Okay. Similarly, when we differentiate v with respect to y, then we will be getting dou v by dou y is equal to differentiation of x square with respect to y will be 0 and differentiation of y square will be 2y minus differentiation of z square will be 2z into dou z by dou y. Therefore, vy is equal to, this can be taken as vy, that is equal to 2 is common, take it out, then it is y minus z into the notation q for dou z by dou y. So what we got? We got 4 first order partial derivatives of a function u and v which is differentiated with respect to x and y. Then substitute this result here in this equation. Okay, so if I call it as equation number 1, then put it here. Therefore, equation number 1 becomes dou u by dou x. What is dou u by dou x? 1 plus p divided by dou u by dou y. What is dou u by dou y? 1 plus q. which is equal to dou v by dou x. Dou v by dou x is nothing but 2 times x minus zp divided by dou v by dou y, that is nothing but 2 times y minus zq. Okay, there 2 to get cancel, therefore we get this term, that is x minus zp divided by y minus zq, which is equal to 1 plus p divided by 1 plus q. Take a cross multiplication, then we will be getting 1 plus p into y minus zq is equal to 1 plus q into x minus zp. Then take a group multiplication. 1 into y will be y, then 1 into minus zq will be minus zq plus p into y, then minus z into p into q, which is equal to 1 into x is x, then 1 into minus zp is minus zp plus x into q, then minus or plus minus, then it is p into q into z. And one thing we can observe, minus p zpq minus zpq on other end, they get balanced, because if I take this term to the other end it becomes plus, then these two terms get cancelled. Then finally what to do? We have to take p of, what is that term? P of plus, I'll make a group of q of. Okay, what that term says? The term says this will be equal to, if I take p common, then here it is y, then from here it is minus z. Take this minus z to the other end, it becomes plus z. Okay, so this is the term. Plus if you take q common, and here q is minus z. Okay, it is minus z, and here it is x, so it becomes minus z minus x. Okay, then here x is there, then take this y to the other end, it becomes minus y, or else we can write it as p of y plus z minus, if we take common, then minus q of z plus x is equal to x minus y. So this becomes a required partial differential equation, and this kind of result is almost, it is like p of p plus q of q is equal to r, this format. The result is in this format. Thank you.